Ugima mwega wa mwiri kuri arutwo mathukuru-ini magicokereria thukuru ni undu uthiite na mbere gwikirwo na njira nene. Maabitha githomo makiambika mihang'o ya guthurima mathukuru kundu gutiganite. Kiroko kia umuthi Minister wa githomo Prof George Magoha auma mwena wa Thika kaunti ya Kiambu agithurima mehariria mathukuru-ini o riria arutwo mathiite na mbere gucokereria mathomo.
The issues that I thought would be very major are not major. I have not had any water issues. We had a little bit of noise about masks in Lamu, but otherwise everybody else, we have ensured that every child is masked. We have masks as we are moving, and like I said, no child shall be returned.
Magoha ni ahithuririe ni marikite kurekereria shiringi bilioni 4 iri kuhuthika thukuru-ini cia muthingi na shiringi bilioni 14 iri kuhuthika thukuru-ini cia secondary, akiuga kigiina giki ni gikuhuthika na njira iria yagiriire.
I am not worried. I want to apologize to those who have got a little bit of delay in payment, and that it is not going to continue that way, because we have now got people at the command and control center at the Yugo who are working 24/7 to ensure that they are paid.
Ihinda-ini riu Magoha ugite mari no shabaru ciothe ni megukorwo magicokereria thukuru no akianira kaunti cia gicua-ini na rugongo rwa bururi ni ciandikithitie namba nini ya arutwo aria macokete thukuru.
Most of the regions had over 80% reporting except for the coast and the northeastern provinces. And we are focused there this morning together with our brothers in Gao, where we are going to look for the children. Irrespective of the cause for not reporting, we shall firmly persuade them to come to school, and they will be brought to school. This rate, by Thursday, we should be talking about 100%.
Miaraho ya umuthi Magoha gukorwo ari kaunti ni Nianirire kuri gukorwo agithurima thukuru itiganite mwena ucio.
And I want to thank those teachers who have been very innovative and quick. Where perhaps we have not reached, they have provided masks for the children, because the children belong to all of us.
Girifotera Kameme TV retora kwa nino gari wa Kamau.